Again sweet? No, I don't want. Tiramisu? You can ask how much. Georgi, price list here. This price.
Switch to English.
Do you want now?
I want to know how much.
Okay.
And I try to remember this.
You will show to me what you want, and I will ask.
看要什么口味？
Show. А доша очан?
这个没了，
А me don't
这
have
个卖完了，
don't have now.
刚刚卖光了。
Only available you can see here.
对，这个是豆乳的，啊，都是这样，都是。
It's the same tiramisu, different the different different taste.
So what's new?
No, you can ask, you can show what you want here.
对，这个是这个，对，这个是水果。
Is this also tiramisu?
对，
It's the same, tiramisu is the same. Different taste only, different. The same tiramisu, all tiramisu.
No coffee.
Coffee? You can ask. No, coffee, okay, first eat. You want, I know, first eat. So wet here, wet. Maybe big rain before. Exit here, Georgi. Also restaurant. Oh, many people here. For you noisy, I know. Langa.
要两个。
两个两个
OK，OK，OK。
Let's go, Georgi, too. I order. 你好。If you want, you can sit here. Cold? Cold for you? Or maybe here, you check. Not cold here. It's okay? Yeah, I think it's better, not cold.
Hello.
你好。
你好。
And this restaurant need to check menu, scan Alipay. and only you can see menu. Menu. We order well. This one we order. You can choose how many pieces need. 2 pieces and pay. No, Georgi worry because I already paid. This is Georgi phone, okay? Okay, cancel Georgi, okay. You just can see menu because I already order here. This is tea free. Tea. If you want. You take tea also. Good service, Georgi, yes? Until what time?
Already closed.
Okay. So we after eat.
You order?
I order?
Confirm.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Because
I pay. I already.
see our order.
No, I already paid. I already paid.
But when I stand again, maybe I can
No,
see.
no, 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 no. I already paid. It's okay. Don't worry. Сесе.
请慢用哈。
А, сесе не. How much on peso, Georgi? Maybe 60 peso.
No, wait.
80 peso? Yes, maybe 80 peso. This is chicken. Corn. It's good. Time now already 9:35. Nice restaurant. Maybe we come back tomorrow. Do you want to come back here again? Ten p.m. now.
Hello，
你好，
哎，一哥们，
哎，谢谢
一块儿，吃，
哎，谢谢。
好东西。
He sell now for 10 yuan. Before it's 20, now 10.